Hey, what's up YouTube? We found this big area full of wild garlic near where I live, and I decided to try and learn to make some wild garlic pesto. Before we start, make sure you're subscribed and we will get on with the video. So, this is what wild garlic looks like, and this is what we will be collecting for the video. This, on the other hand, is Lords and Ladies, which is very poisonous and you should absolutely not touch it. And make sure that if you're going to do this, you don't mistake the two. Here are all the ingredients we need. We have our wild garlic, which we just collected, some cheese. The recipe wanted Parmesan, but we just used some cheddar from Tesco. Some nuts, again, the recipe suggested cob nuts, which I didn't even know existed, so we're just going to use some cashew nuts. And finally, the recipe wanted some olive oil, but once again, we are using vegetable oil instead. So this is really the budget pesto.
We can smell that, that's beautiful.
Oh, it smells so good. It kind of smells half and half of garlic and like plants.
We like our pesto extra strong, so we're going to include another garlic as well as the wild garlic, but this is completely optional. No one has to do this.
So the recipe says cob nuts, and we've got whatever these are. And you just gotta smash them up with this thing, so it becomes like a powder.
We were going to try and grind everything by hand, but I kind of got bored of that after about 2 seconds, and we just used an electric blender.
Okay, yeah, we forgot the cheese. So, all right, well let's put this in the jar. Looks like minced up Shrek.
This is our finished product, our finished pesto. We probably should have put more oil in ours, but other than that, it came out perfectly, despite the odd ingredients. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.